Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to clear your File Explorer's recent files history in Windows. So when you open your File Explorer, you can see your recent files right here. So you might have some content that you don't want people to see when you open the File Explorer. So what you can do is you can't just highlight and delete, or if you have millions of files here, you just can't delete them all. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click a file right here. Okay, make sure that one file is clicked, and go into File and go into Options. Here you can see here it says Clear File Explorer History. Just click on Clear. Bam, it cleared. Click on OK and you're done. So it's a very simple process, it's a very simple thing to do, and it can be done very easily. So if you have any other problems or any other questions, please put it down in the comments below. And I think that's all for this one. Do comment, like, share and subscribe. That's all for me, folks.